Hey, what's going on? It's John, Salt, Pepper, and Fire. I want to thank you for stopping by the channel. I really appreciate it. And if you're new here, go ahead and stop by and hit the red button, hit the bell beside it so you'll be notified anytime I post. So today's cook is kind of simple, but I'm pretty excited about it. I was finally able to get my hands on some of Uncle Steve's shakes. We're gonna try that out today. We will be using the competition cow powder on a chuck roast. So stick around, let's get it. All right, so here's the chuck roast we will be using today. It is Choice Black Angus. Picked it up for $14.68. It's just a shade under 3 pounds. So we will get this out of the package and get some season on it. All right, so let's get this seasoned up with the star of the show. In the intro, I misspoke. It is competition cow shake instead of competition cow powder. So let's get this shake on and we'll be ready to get this chuck roast on the grill. Look already that it's a nice coarse looking rub here. The coat laid down. Just press it in. Other side here. Definitely smells good. Just press down, get our sides here. I will let this sweat while I get the grill set up, and I will bring you out back for that. All right, so the smoker is up to temperature at 250, so we're gonna go ahead and put the chuck roast on the upper deck and let it smoke and do its thing. Probably won't check in till about 2 hours. At that point, we'll look at the color, see if it needs to be spritzed, and see how the bark is developing. And I'll bring you back when I get ready to check. All right, everybody, we are at the 2 hour mark. And as you can see, the chuck roast is looking pretty good. Has some pooling on the top there, but some of the spots around the edge and on the top is a little bit dry. So we're gonna go ahead and spritz with a 50-50 mixture of apple cider vinegar and water. We will continue to let this roll. I'll probably start temping it in the next hour to see where we are. I want at least to get to 180. And I haven't decided if I'm gonna wrap or if I'm gonna braise. So at that point, we will take a look at it and decide which direction we're gonna go. And I'll bring you back for that. All right, the chuck roast has reached an internal temp of 180. So we're gonna go ahead and pull it and wrap it and get it back on the smoker. So the roast is off. You saw what it looked like unwrapped. So let's get us a taste test. The corner looks pretty good, so let's taste it. So I can officially say that I'm a fan of Uncle Steve's shakes. This competition cow shake was great on this chuck roast. It had a really good taste, so I will definitely be using it and looking forward to using other rubs of his. So I want to thank you for stopping by again. Please leave me a like. Let me know if you use Uncle Steve Shakes in the comment. And please, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you guys.